How to fix credit card minimum payment increase is a common concern for many credit card holders. The minimum payment on your credit card bill is the smallest amount you can pay each month without incurring late fees or other penalties. However, if you notice that your minimum payment is rising, it may be due to several reasons, including an increase in your credit card balance, an increase in interest rates, or a change in your credit card terms. To understand why your credit card minimum payment is rising, you need to review your credit card statement and terms, check if there have been any changes to your interest rate, fees, or credit limit. You should also check if you have made any large purchases or cash advances that may have increased your balance. If you find that your minimum payment is rising due to an increase in interest rates or fees, you can try negotiating with your credit card issuer to lower your rates or fees. You can call the customer service number on the back of your credit card and ask to speak to a representative who can review your account and see if they can offer any assistance. Another reason for a rising minimum payment is an increase in your credit card balance. If you have made large purchases or cash advances, your minimum payment may increase to ensure that you pay off the balance within a reasonable time frame. To avoid this, you can try to reduce your spending and pay off your balance in full each month. To fix a rising minimum payment, you can try to pay more than the minimum payment each month. This will help you pay off your balance faster and reduce the amount of interest you owe. You can also consider consolidating your debt into a lower interest credit card or loan, or seeking the help of a credit counselor. In conclusion, a rising minimum payment on your credit card bill can be a concern, but it can be fixed by understanding the reasons behind the increase and taking steps to address them. By reviewing your credit card statement and terms, negotiating with your credit card issuer, reducing your spending, and paying off your balance in full each month, you can keep your minimum payment under control and avoid accumulating debt. Remember to always review your credit card terms and conditions carefully and seek help if you are struggling to manage your debt.